In this video, I have a massive alert for PEPE coin holders, and you're going to want to look at Ethereum because I want you guys to remember this. For PEPE coin, PEPE is a meme coin, as I'm sure you all know, but it's built on top of Ethereum. And I think sometimes we all forget that. I myself don't think about that sometimes, but it is important to remember what chain that PEPE coin is built on top of. Because if that chain is unsuccessful or the price of Ethereum falls lower, what do you think happens to PEPE coin? It probably falls lower as well. But this is not a bearish video, my friends. This is actually potentially a very bullish moment. Now, we've been bearish as of lately. Yes, that is the reality of the market. There's been a lot of things happening in this crypto space, a few of which I want to talk to you about in this video, but we need to look at some charts for both PEPE and Ethereum, some key things that I think you all need to be aware of. So welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Let's hop into this, and I'm going to start with this one right here. We are right now testing a 4.5-year resistance for Ethereum. This is a big deal, folks. Right now, Ethereum sitting at $2,100. We are either getting a bounce here or we are falling lower. Now, recently, and unfortunately, we actually saw the Fed come out and say, they're not in a hurry to cut the rates, which actually is going to be a problem for a continuation to the upside for risk on assets. That being said, I think we're oversold. And just because that doesn't mean, even if the Fed doesn't cut rates, doesn't mean that we have to go into a bear market. Doesn't mean that we're not going to get a bounce. It just means that right now we're probably not going to break to new all-time highs, but we could certainly get a bounce here. In fact, long support, short resistance. That's historically how it works. You short up here, you long down here. I think that right now is possibly a good long opportunity for Ethereum with some very cautious, with some caution of us potentially slipping a little bit lower. There's a lot of news coming out recently like this. U.S. rise of cryptocurrency and fall of regulation pose profound risks. The media right now is politicizing crypto more so than ever before, and I don't really need to get into the details of this, but look and pay attention. Cryptocurrency is getting politicized. Why? Because the orange man, and maybe I shouldn't call him that, the president of the United States, and I don't lean one way or another. I am here looking at the issues, looking at cryptocurrency, just trying to determine what comes next, what's good, what's bad for crypto. No doubt that the tariffs have been causing some fear in the traditional market, causing some fear in the crypto market. But in the long run, it's actually a really good thing for the crypto industry, I think, to see less regulation preventing these crypto industries from growing. We know for a fact that the crypto industry was getting debanked, and that is now getting addressed. And so you see some people coming out and saying that, this political endorsement of crypto from the government is posing profound risks because, and then they're going into political spending. And then I have the question, what about all the other entities out there, whether it's the oil companies or the banks or whether it's the pharmaceutical companies? What about their spending? We're not seeing articles about this. So I want you guys to ignore this noise. And I want you to realize that this kind of noise is probably the reason, okay, that we're testing some of these lows for Ethereum. Let's jump over to the PEPE chart. That's what this video is about, and we need to talk about this. Now, in my recent PEPE videos, have drawn these little red circles for you down at support, 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 and look where we're at right now, guys. I was drawing these little red circles over here after we had wicked down and we came back up to here. I was saying, we could come back down here. This is support, guys. Okay, now, here's the deal. If Ethereum breaks through this level, PEPE coin is going to lose this level right here. That's the reality of the situation. But here's the good news. Like I said, this is not a bearish video. We had a massive consolidation period for Bitcoin and the total market cap for cryptocurrency from back in March of 2024. One thing that I've been looking at for a while is the weekly candle closes for the total market cap and where we might find a bounce. Now, with 1 day and 7 hours left in the current weekly candle for the total market cap, we are right now below our 2021 highs. We are right now below our $3 trillion wick from the 2021 highs. So what else do we have? We've got this wick at 2.7. It's actually a little bit higher. It's like right at 2.79. We've also got the body candle closes for March of 2024, where we hit our first new all-time high for Bitcoin. I believe it was in March of 2024. And then we had a 250-day consolidation period. What am I showing you guys? Well, I'm showing you guys that this total market cap, though it might slip just a little bit lower or find a stopping point right here, I think that these areas, somewhere in here, it's ripe for a bounce. I personally do not believe that the bull market is over. Right now, I think there's a lot of fear. There's a lot of pain. There's a lot of panic. There's a lot of disappointment with this White House crypto summit. We didn't really get a lot of exciting news out of that. And the strategic Bitcoin reserve, they're not buying Bitcoin. They're just keeping the Bitcoin that the government already has. This brings us to the real point of this video. Looking for a bounce is where my mind is at. I think that we've got insane discounts right now on the total market cap, especially on altcoins. Looking at PEPE versus Bitcoin, this would be a good opportunity for a double bottom. These are the weekly candles. I think this is over. So could it come back down to these levels? If it did, it would be devastating, guys. I don't think it's coming back down to these levels. If so, PEPE coin would basically be dying at that point. And I just don't see us coming back down to these levels. If PEPE coin comes back down to these levels, another 69%, we'll start calling it a bear market, okay? Because that would be out of control. I think that our total market cap is what you want to watch here. I don't think you look at, considering the PEPE coin is a blue chip meme coin at this point, like a Dogecoin or Shiba. I think you look at Bitcoin, I think you look at the total market cap, and I think you ask yourself the question, is cryptocurrency still bullish? Do you still believe that Bitcoin can go to $1 million one day? And if so, then PEPE coin still has a lot of upside ahead. I believe the $100 million possibility for PEPE in the future. And in the meantime, I think we've got great DCA opportunities. If you want to do some trading on this volatility, right now there's a really cool contest going on, a trading competition on Blowfin. You could win AirPods, a Nintendo Switch, you can win an Apple Vision Pro, a Rolex, some money. There's a $5.6 million prize pool on Blowfin right now. I got a link for you to sign up if you want to trade PEPE, trade your favorite altcoins. You could do it signing up using our link down below, and up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up using our link. I'm bullish on crypto, guys. We still need patience with this market. But I want to tell you guys one more thing before I let you go. Keep an eye on this Ethereum resistance. It could be the bounce of all bounces for Ethereum and altcoins, to be honest with you. And altcoin season is at 14 out of 100. I like to buy discounts. And if you like altcoins, you're getting an insane discount right now, which is going to poise you for what I believe are going to be insane gains when this altcoin season kicks back off. And I think it will. Do you agree? Are you still in it, guys? Are you still with me? Let me know in the comments down below whether you agree, whether you disagree. I want to know your thoughts on PEPE. I wanted to give you guys this PEPE coin warning on this critical level that we're at. If we do break lower, look out below. I will get into some of the other levels if we need to talk about them. But for now, I'm hoping for and I'm looking for a bounce, especially with Ethereum at that 4.5-year resistance. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. And of course, my friends, I will see you in the next one. Have a great weekend, everybody. Please remember, nothing here is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but we love crypto content and we're going to keep it coming to you. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. See you next time, y'all. Peace.